Hey, what's up YouTube? So SteelSeries, they have released a new keyboard, and that keyboard is the Apex 150. This keyboard is a great piece of tech. It's pretty cheap for what you get, and I really recommend it. One thing I really like about this type of keyboard, it being a membrane keyboard, is that there isn't much noise when you type. Unlike with a mechanical switch keyboard, for example my last keyboard, here you can see is the Corsair Vengeance K70 keyboard with a cherry brown switch. It's just too noisy for me. It sounds like a typewriter. It's so heavy, and I just find myself typing very slowly on this keyboard, and my response times in games was just so much slower. The keyboard is compatible on both Mac and PC, and it comes with some sweet ass software by SteelSeries themselves, which you can get from steelseries.com/engine, which allows you to set numerous configurations to meet your needs of how you want the keys to function themselves, as in their bindings, but also how they look. You can also set the polling rate, the keyboard region, and the global illumination. Global illumination meaning you can either have the keyboard at max brightness, sort of half level, very dim, or you can have the illumination off completely if you find it's distracting you. At $59.99, that's in English pounds, the keyboard is a very cheap keyboard considering what you get. And for someone like me who doesn't want to spend too much on a keyboard but wants something that's good enough, that's going to deliver, that's going to up my gaming experience, then this is a keyboard that I would recommend. Anyway guys, that is the end of the video. Thank you for watching. I hope it helped you make a decision on the keyboard that you're going to buy. If you have any comments or questions, then just leave them in the comments section below, and I'm sure someone in the friendly YouTube community will get back to you, if not me. But that's it guys. For any other videos that you would like in the future, just leave a comment below and I'll be sure to make them. Subscribe to my channel to receive updates of my newest releases. I do a lot of tutorials. Every now and then I bring out a review, something like this, something tech based. But anyway guys, thanks for watching and peace.